So success is repeatable. Okay. So many times our brains tell us we can't do something again, or we're not going to be able to repeat a past success, or past failures are going to come back and get us. And it's really just your brain sabotaging you. All right. So we might bolt on a different campaign for you in the back end after people have initially bought something, or we might look at the language where people are about to buy and we might restructure that for higher conversions and higher response. So again, I'm just here to remind you, if you did it once, you can definitely do it again. Because usually we make a lot more money if we just launch offers and put more offers into the marketplace rather than trying to perfect something until it never gets done, it never gets released. chilescall.com, you'll see an application, and I'll look at what you have, what you got going on, and how to help you on a phone call moving forward. And then after that chat, if you want to talk about becoming a private client, we can talk about it. Okay.